A customer from HVAC manufacturing industry is looking to braze copper to brass with induction for 3 different assemblies. The brass pieces are odd-shaped, and the copper pipes vary from 13 to 16 millimeters. The task is to braze each assembly in less than 20 seconds. UltraFlex team estimated that a 16 kilowatt solo system would be up to the task. The assembly with the silicone part required special attention, as it needed to be protected from the heat. The test began with heating a small copper to brass assembly, using the Solo 24 power supply with the HS24W heat station and a lab coil. The temperature was set to 760 degrees Celsius. The heat cycle time was 12 seconds. In the second test, a different lab coil was used. The heat cycle time increased to 17 seconds due to the lower power used. The third test involved the assembly with a silicone part. Keeping the maximum temperature at 760 degrees Celsius, the heat cycle time was reduced to 10 seconds. The final test focused on the larger copper to brass assembly. The heat cycle time extended to 26 seconds. For more details, use the reference number AR 3464 8272. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.